今から渋谷行きます。
This year, Tokyo's mayor declared no Halloween events in Shibuya. Living in Japan for almost 9 years, I have to admit it was getting rowdier and rowdier each year. Hello, my name is Anim and I live in Japan.
違います。ペル人ですか？ペル人とペル。¿Habla español? Sí, bueno.
コスプレ着ること。コスプレ着て最高の一日を自分がなりきりたいものになるためにコスプレして過ごすのが大好き。
For this year's Halloween video, I wanted to capture where to go for Halloween in Japan, Shibuya Halloween 2022 versus this year, why Japanese people like Halloween so much, and what they think about the ban on Halloween.
Samurai!
いいですね。簡単ですね。
Yeah, but this is actually umbrella.
What?
I have an eye umbrella.
This is also a portable umbrella.
What?
Oh shit. It's stuck here.
Hey, you speak English.
A bit. Actually, many are doing, even if the government bans. But you know, just maybe 5 years ago or something, they tried to make it as one of the big events in Japan, and the mayor himself really wanted to do it, but now he totally changed his mind. It's kind of awkward.
Yeah.
We want some consistency.
Yeah. Okay.
And for me, you know, in Japan, it's kind of difficult to have this kind of big event under 30, so they should allow it, I believe.
Where are you going today?
I'm going to go some international club close to
Okay.
here, and then maybe either parties whole night.
English? Okay, English, okay.
No, English. I can translate. 日本語。
私は日本人は謙虚ですごいあんまり人に声をかけないけど、こういう日に限ってみんなめっちゃ仲良くなってる。日本人でも恥ずかしがらずにいろんな人に声をかけて仲良く、そう普通にいっぱい仲良く写真撮ってって言うから、それが一番好き。
So, where should you go for Halloween in Japan? This year, I of course had to check out the scene in Shibuya.
Hachiko started to. Oh wow!
So they are really going all out to try to stop Halloween in Shibuya this year because it has been getting pretty rowdy every year. It's kind of fun.
Keep moving well.
Seems like a
混雑による事故防止、皆様のご協力をお願いします。
But I also stopped by Roppongi.
Halloween costume ですか？
はい。
今ちょっといいですか？Happy Halloween! Are you going to a Halloween party now?
I'm going to eat now and then Halloween party later.
Okay, so how do you celebrate Halloween in Japan?
At the clubs, they have a lot of parties, so that's mostly where you can celebrate.
Okay, so do you plan to go to Shibuya too?
No, that's for the younger people. The older people and the foreigners hang out in Roppongi. The younger Japanese took Shibuya over.
Oh, okay.
So that's not even... And maybe some tourists, I
Yeah.
would say, but not the people who live here. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween! Yeah!
And Disney Sea.
Get a portrait, shall we? And then you'll be on your way.
Okay, thank you.
Got to find the treasure.
Yeah.
Don't forget that I helped you.
Okay.
We now know it's in Japanese.
Okay.
Yes? Well, if you're starting here.
Right now, we're waiting for the Halloween greeting from Mickey. My friend Mika just went to the bathroom. There were also events in Asakusa and Ikebukuro.
Right now we are at Roppongi Crossing trying to find all the people in costumes, which is actually pretty easy. Let's see who else we can find. I like your costume. Thank you.
Pretty much every city in and around Tokyo had their own Halloween events. So just because Shibuya Halloween may be cancelled doesn't mean you can't find a place to have fun. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.
Costume. Halloween is really popular in Japan recently. Oh, that's cool. That's Street Fighter right there. Yeah. I like this one.
Happy Halloween!
Let's try, right?